time travel. Have you ever thought about being a time traveler? Well, at the making of this video, there's no such thing. But it is fun to think about traveling to the past to see how things were, or traveling to the future to see how things will be. Right now, the best time travel we have are books and recorded media that take us to the past. We can read about how things were, or watch videos, or listen to recordings of how things were. The best way to get to the future is just to imagine what we think tomorrow or the future might bring. But what does every time traveler have? They have a vehicle that either gets them to the past or gets them to the future. And today I thought we could create our own vehicle that in pretend can get us to the future or get us to the past. Really, we can't do that, but we can certainly pretend about doing it. So what we'll need to do, what we're going to create, is a flying disc that will be our vehicle to pretend to go to the future or to the past. So you'll need 2 paper plates. Now I've chosen white paper plates because light will pass through these easily. They're strong enough to be durable, but light will pass through. And there's a reason I want light to pass through, and I'll explain that in a moment. If you don't have paper plates, you could also use styrofoam plates or disposable plastic plates. Those should work well too. You just want to be sure that light could travel through those plates easily. Do you know how I'm going to light these plates? You probably do. Through the use of glow sticks. I have a red glow stick and I have a yellow glow stick, and that's what's going to make the light. I'll also need some tape, and I have some decorative tape, and I'm going to use this for the outside of my flying disc. And it's going to be decorative, but it's also going to adhere the 2 sides of the flying disc together. All right? So the first thing that we'll need to do is go ahead and activate our glow stick. And the lights in here are so bright, it's hard to see our glow stick lighting up. But it looks like it's changing its color a little bit. So it must be lighting up. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to place that inside our paper plate. So this would be the inside, this would be the outside. Place this inside our paper plate, and I'm going to tape our glow stick into the paper plate. And listen, you can't put too much tape because you want it to stay together. And so the light should travel right through our plate. Again, there's so much light in this room, it's hard to tell that that's even giving off light, but I do believe it is. Now, for our yellow glow stick, oh, now that one you can see. That one's really lighting up. Can you see the color change? That one really glows. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to tape this inside. Now this small red one is made to be one that you would wear around your wrist, and this bigger one is one that you would wear as a necklace. They make all different shape and sizes of the glow stick, and so I'm using 2 different styles, 2 different sizes for our project. I'm going to tape that in. secure it really well. Again, I don't think you could probably put too much tape. You want these to hold really well. And again, there's so much light in here, it's hard to see. But light's traveling through our plate. Now, what we want to do is take the top plate and the bottom plate and close them down. And now I'm going to take the decorative tape and trying to keep our plates together as evenly as possible. I'm going to tape down the sides. It's one side. That's another side. Again, I'm trying to be even, make sure that those are even. Okay, turn it around. Another side. And finally, this last side. And we have our very own special flying disc. Now you and your special adult could take this flying disc. Now you would never want to fly this in the house, no. But you and your special adult could take this flying disc outdoors in the afternoon when it's beginning to get dark and throw it back and forth to one another. And as it sails through the air, it will glow and it'll give off this really neat glow. And you can pretend that you are traveling through time, and this is your vehicle which you travel through time. Or you and your special adult could go out maybe in the early morning if you wait for a school bus or something like that, and your special adult is waiting with you, and maybe it's still sort of dark outside. You and your special adult could throw this back and forth, and it would, because it's dark, it'll give off a glow and look really pretty as it goes through the air. And again, you can pretend like you're traveling to the past and traveling to the future. I hope you and your special adult will make a glowing flying disc today to pretend about time travel. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and click the alerts for future videos. Join me at chuckhartman.com.